We got up early, about 5:45, packed up our tent. I'm really proud of our family, and now we're in Arches National Park.
We went to the visitor center and we got a permit to go into the fiery furnace without a guide, which is going to be pretty awesome. We had to watch a video and talk to them about it and be pretty confident that physically we were going to be able to climb over things and we weren't going to destroy anything and primarily not get lost, because it's going to be just a labyrinth of rocks that we could easily get lost in. Dead end. Should be pretty exciting. I think Megan said that only 10% of the people that come to Arches actually get to go into the fiery furnace. I think far less of those even go without a guide. And then, what percentage come out alive? Hopefully we do.
I've never been known for my cautious side. You should know that I'm well aware. I don't want anything left untried. Will you come with me, mon cher? So let us just do my love and not stop to think any of this over. So let us just do my love and see where this road will take us now.
Pans are splitting. I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Every long step I take, they go a little further apart. Yes. But there's no way down over there?
No, wait. Goes into the death pit.
You can go look. I don't think there is. There might be there.
The first time we actually tried to follow the trail,
I mean, there are a few.
we can't find it.
Jump 5 feet to like 10 feet.
Here, maybe it goes through that section over there.
You're magical.
They could go the way Ephraim and I went. I mean, it's possible. It's a serious hike. It's definitely not for everyone. You should know how to find your way and not get lost like us. And you definitely need to be pretty physically fit. We found it?
Yeah,
It's that way, thankfully. I was pretty intense.
yeah, get videos of that. That's deep. That's deep.
Yep.
Like, really deep.
Does that go in there?
This actually might be easier than that.
In the fire furnace, you need to carry everything in and carry everything out. So we brought one of these. It's our poop bag.
Yeah, it has to be this way.
We lost the path
That big
again.
cactus right there.
It's crazy how hard it is to find the path. We never saw people. We haven't seen people in a long time.
They're all out.
You're gonna die now.
There aren't a ton of footprints.
I think a car is over there. So we just need to climb that to get out.
We shall never quit.
I'm kind of thinking we gotta turn around. I think the only way out is down through there.
Turn around, guys. Yeah, the garbage gets too small. Okay. You could make it up over though.
But it's not the trail.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back. Oh.
Wait, we were here?
Yeah, we were definitely here. And it goes through that little slot. Somebody talked about, Ephraim, didn't you go that way?
We went up the right side?
Didn't you come over this way? We were down that way. Yeah, there's that giant rock that we looked at.
We went right.
Here's the
We got left.
arrow. There would be an arrow, don't you think? I think there would. I'll go this way, you go that way.
This must be the trail.
This is a lot easier, Caleb.
There's so much sand on this.
I thought we'd see the car right there. But there's just another giant wall. to get around.
Dad, we might have heard this one.
There's blue sky. No more rocks above us. Means our car's probably up here somewhere. There's our bed for the night. A yurt. Oh man, it's awesome in here.
You're 57 and I'm 53.
Another awesome thing about our yurt is that it comes with a grill. So we'll be eating some real meat